back to my channel. So on my lips today I'm wearing this Purple's Playtime Soft Matte Lip Crayon in Blind Makeover Time 10. I really love the formulation of these crayons. They glide on very easily and they set completely matte and they stay on your lips for a long time without feeling heavy. So in today's video I'm going to share with you one scrub that you can use during the winters that will really help keep your skin soft and supple, and it's both for oily skin and dry skin girls. Now the best thing about this scrub is that you need very few ingredients which is already there in your kitchen, and the results are amazing. It is a very effective scrub, so if you want to know how to do it, then please keep watching. So the first ingredient of this scrub is oats. Now really depends on how much you are going to use, and if you're going to use it on your entire body, then take about 1.5 cup of oats, and then you are just going to grind it into a powder. Now you don't have to grind it too fine, you know, the coarser it is the better it is to scrub your skin with. So you are going to just grind this, and this powder you can store for days and you can use it every single day. The second ingredient is raw milk. Now what is raw milk? The milk that you don't boil, that is exactly what you use directly from the packet. Now if you have oily skin, instead of milk you can use curd. And if you have dry skin, then milk is extremely good. It will help you remove your tan and it will keep your skin really soft and supple. And the last ingredient is aloe vera powder. Now you can use aloe vera gel, but I like using the powder for the consistency. It just makes it easier to scrub. But if you have aloe vera gel, you can definitely use that as well. And the aloe vera powder that I'm using is from Alps Goodness. And what you are going to do is, the ratio is 2:1. For example, if you take 2 parts of oats, take 1 part of aloe vera powder, and that's how you're going to mix it. So you're going to take the oats, the aloe powder and milk and make it into a paste. Now make sure that this is not too runny, not too thick. It has to be somewhere in between the consistency for it to work really well. And now let's see how you can use it. Now when you leave it for a while, it will get thick because the oats will just soak the milk in it. But you can also use this. I like this consistency as well. Just use your fingers and you are going to just apply it on your skin like this. Now I've used this just on my face to show it to you guys, but when you're using it, use it on your neck, your entire body. This is very, very good. I promise you, you will love how your skin feels even in this winter. So you're just going to let this dry, and once this dries, you are going to scrub it in upward motion and then remove it off before washing it. So now I'm just going to let this dry on my face and I will come back to show you how I scrub it off. So once your mask has dried, it will feel a little stretchy. You're just going to do this and scrub it off completely. You're going to do this to your entire face and then wash it off with just plain water and nothing else. Just water, no face wash. As you can see, my skin feels extremely soft and it also has that glow. It doesn't feel dry at all. You can obviously go in with any of your favorite serums after this. I personally, because I have used milk, I don't find the need to use any kind of serum. Now, if your question is that if you're using this on your body, should you wait till it dries? You don't have to. Once you apply it on your body, just wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute before you start scrubbing off, and then you can wash it. Now, if you're using this on your body, use it after you've applied your body wash or soap, because after you use this, you don't want to use any soap because then it doesn't make sense. It just, makes it not effective. So if you are using it on your body, first use your body wash, wash yourself, and then use this, and then simply wash it off with plain water, and you're good to go. You can come out and use any moisturizer. This will really help get rid of any kind of tan, make your skin really smooth, and help the overall texture of your skin on your body. Also, because this is so simple, you can use it every day. There's no harm at all. And that's it guys. I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.